Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on C program on linear search. In the case of linear search, suppose we are given a array. In that array, n number of elements are there. Suppose we can take key element. Now we have to find out that the key element is present in the given array or not. If the key element is found in the array at some particular position, so then we have to say that this is a successful search. Suppose if the given key element is not found in the given list, then search is called as unsuccessful search. Okay, if the given element is found in the given list, then we can say that it is a successful search. If the given element is not found in the list, then we can say that it is a unsuccessful search. Suppose we can take an array, so that is A of 10 elements. So there are 10 elements are there in the array, so that array is integer array. So this array can contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there are 10 elements in the integer array. So this is 0th position, 1 position, 2nd position, 3rd position, 4th position, 5th position, 6th position, 7th position, 8th position, 9th position. Okay, array can start with the 0th element and end with n minus 1. That is, n value is 10, 10 minus 1, that is 9. So here key element, now we have to take key element, that key element is 60. Now we have to find out our key element is present in the given list or not. So for that purpose, the logic is 60 is compared with the first element in the array. 60 is compared with 10. So does not match. Next, 60 is compared with 20. Does not match. 60 is compared with 30. Does not match. 60 is compared with 40, does not match. 60 is compared with 50, does not match. 60 is compared with 60, match. So if A of I is equal to key element, so if it is true, then it is a successful search. Successful search. So here A of I is nothing but A of 5 is equal to key element is 60. A of 5 equal to 60, then we can say that it is a successful search. Suppose if the key element is 150, so now 150 is compared with the first element in the array, so both are not matched. 150 is compared with the second element, both are not matched. 150 is compared with the third element, both are not matched. 150 is compared with the fourth element, both are not matched. 150 is compared with the fifth element, so both are not matched. 150 is compared with the sixth element, both are not matched. 150 is compared with the seventh element, both are not matched. 150 is compared with the eighth element, both are not matched. 150 is compared with the 9th element, both are not matched. 150 is compared with the 10th element, both are not matched. So then, if A of I not equal to key, so then it is unsuccessful search. Unsuccessful search. So this is our program. This is a linear search program. So now we have to write the C program on linear search. Whatever I am telling, So that logic can be implemented in C program. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, so int a of 50 comma I comma key comma flag is equal to 1 comma n. So CLR SCR. So printf, enter the array size. Enter the array size. So slash n, double quotes n, parenthesis close, semicolon. So scanf percentage d, double quotes n, ampersand n. So now we have take an array with size 50, but in this 50 we have to take whatever the size we want. So that size can be indicated by value of n, that is read from the keyboard. Next, printf, enter the elements into the array. Enter the elements into the array. So now we have to read the elements from the keyboard by using scanf function. So here for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So here, so scanf percentage d, double quotes and ampersand a of I. Okay. Next, printf, the entered elements in the array are, the entered elements in the array are, so whatever the elements that are read from the keyboard, that elements are printed on the monitor by using printf function. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, so I plus plus. So printf percentage d slash t, double quotes n, comma a of I, parenthesis close, semicolon. Okay. Next, printf, enter the element to search. Enter the element to search. So slash n, double quotes n, parenthesis close, semicolon. So this element is also read from the keyboard. So for that purpose, we have to use scanf function. So ampersand key. So now we have to find out this key element is present in the list or not. Okay. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, if a of I equal to key, so then printf successful search, successful search. So slash n, double quotes n, parenthesis close, semicolon. Next, printf element found, element percentage d found at position percentage d slash n, double quotes n, comma. So a of, sorry, I comma key plus 1. Next, flag is equal to 0, break. Case close. If flag printf unsuccessful search, unsuccessful search. Next, get ch main close. So this is our program. So here we have to take an array with size 50. So I is loop variable. Whatever the element we want to search from the given array, so that element can be denoted as key. So here initially flag is equal to 1. That is, we can take flag is like a temporary variable. So flag is equal to 1. So that is nothing but flag is true. That's n. So now among the array size 50, we have to take only whatever the size we want. That size can be denoted by n. So CLR printf enter the array size. Okay. So scanf percentage d ampersand n. Here what? Here n value can be read from the keyboard. So whatever the array size you want, that array size can be read from the keyboard. So that value is stored in n. Next, printf enter the elements into the array. So now we are entering the elements into the array with the size n. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So for that purpose, we have to use scanf function. So this function is used for reading the values from the keyboard, so that are stored in the array. So I is equal to 0, 0 less than n, condition true, scanf percentage d ampersand a of 0. So the first value is stored into the array. Suppose n value is equal to 5. Suppose, so n value is equal to 5. So now I is equal to 0, 0 less than 5, condition true, scanf percentage d ampersand a of 0. So now a of 0 value is stored, that is value 10 is stored into the array. Now I value is incremented, I is equal to 1, 1 less than 5, scanf percentage d ampersand a of 1. Now whatever the value we are entered from the keyboard, that value is stored in the array. So that is a of 1 is equal to 20. Now I value is incremented. Now I value is 2, 2 less than 5, condition true. Now a of 2 value is read from the keyboard, that value is 30. Next I value is incremented. Now I value is 3, 3 less than 5, condition true. Now a of 3 value is read from the keyboard. Next, I is incremented. Now I value is 4. 4 less than 5. Condition true. Now a of 4 is equal to 50. This value is read from the keyboard. Now I is incremented. I value 5. 5 less than 5. Condition false. Next, printf the entered elements in the array are. Whatever the elements that are read from the keyboard, that elements are printed. So now a of 0 is equal to 10. A of 1 is equal to 20. So a of 2 is equal to 30. So a of 3 is equal to 40. So a of 4 is equal to 50. So these values are displayed on the monitor by using printf function. So now, what is the element you want to search among these 5 elements? So that element can be denoted by key value. So that value is read from the keyboard. So printf enter the element to search. So scanf %d ampersand key. So now we are searching the key value as 30. So that is read from the keyboard. So 30 is read from the keyboard and the value is stored in the key. Next, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I is equal to 0, 0 less than 5. Condition true. So a of 0. A of 0 how much? 10. Key value is how much? 30. 10 equal to 30. So that is false. Okay. Next, I value is incremented. Now I value is 1. 1 less than 5. Condition true. So a of 1 value is 20. Key value is 30. 20 equal to 30. So that is also false. Next, I is incremented. Now I value is 2. So 2 less than 5. Condition true. A of 2. A of 2 is 30. 30 equal to 30. So condition true. Then the control enters into the body of the if block. Printf successful search. So printf element key is found at I plus 1th position. Element is key. So that is found at I plus 1th position. Because array starts with 0. Now so I plus 1 is, so that is 3rd position. So third element 30 is found at 3rd position. Now flag is equal to 0, then break. So the control goes from the out of the for loop. So then if here flag value is equal to 0, so then break. So the control goes from the out of the loop. So here if flag, here flag value is 0. Okay, so here flag value is equal to 1, it is true, but here flag value is equal to 0. So the condition is false. So if the condition is false, then go to the out of the if block, that is get ch main close. Okay, so here our key element is 30. 30 is found at 3rd position, that is I plus 1th position. I value is 2, so 2 plus 1, that is 3rd position. So this is the linear search program. So thank you for watching this.